Mandalay Bay Resort and Casino in Las Vegas. It's time! 5 rounds for the UFC. And now, introducing the champion fighting out of the red corner. This man is a karate fighter. He stands 6 feet, and when the action begins, our referee...
All right, gentlemen, this is for the championship. You've been given your instructions in the dressing room. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. We will have a clean fight.
Herb Dean, our referee.
Are you ready to fight? Are you ready?
Mauricio Shogun Rua, Lyoto Machida. And here we go. Joe Mauricio Shogun Rua, a superstar in the Pride organization, and for a while considered to be the best 205-pound fighter in the world. He has some really spectacular knockout victories, including one, a first-round one over Rampage Jackson. Pushing forward quickly. Shogun puts together a combination.
Shogun has some of the best and most flashy combinations in the sport.
Headshot! He landed that one. Superman punch.
Lands a couple right hands here.
What a buzz in this building, Joe.
Yeah, I mean, these people love this sport.
Good straight right. Good shot. Good exchange. Both men. He's eating some punches. Got to keep those hands up. And the hand knocks him down.
And he lets it back up.
Big right hand. Oh, that's a big shot. It's over.
Very nice. Let's see it one more time.
And with our official decision, here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean has called a stop to this contest, declaring the winner by knockout and still the UFC light heavyweight champion of the world, Lyoto the Dragon Machida.
Lyoto Machida defends. He is the UFC light heavyweight champion.